Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to report guys laptop setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to enable dark mode on our laptop. Friends, you want to enable guys dark mode on your laptop, so how to enable it in this video friends I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, first click on your laptop start button. After start button friends, click on your laptop phone or guys laptop setting. We will click on laptop setting. After your laptop setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your laptop. Friends, click on your personalized setting. This setting is we will on it. Friends, you want to set any wallpaper guys, you can select wallpaper, and friends you can set. So guys, we will click on this color setting is we will on it. After color setting friends, you can see guys, you choose your mode setting. So as you can see this light mode setting, we will click here dark mode guys, you want to on. So let's click on dark mode, and guys your dark mode will enable. After enable friends, you can see background will dark, and friends we can use the dark mode setting on our laptop guys. So like that guys, our dark mode will enable. And guys, now we will set this wallpaper guys. You want to set any wallpaper guys, double click on wallpaper, wallpaper will set. So guys, again guys, we will enable dark mode, and when we can do dark mode with this wallpaper. So like that guys, we can enable dark mode on our laptop, and friends we can use it. And friends, you want to disable, so again click here friends, click on phone setting, and guys now guys, we will disable with search option guys. Direct friends, search here dark setting. Friends, you can see dark mode guys, click here. Direct friends, you can disable from here, enable your light mode. So like that guys, your dark mode will disable friends, you cannot use dark mode on your laptop friends. Dark mode will disable. So friends, you want to use, you will have to enable your dark mode, then guys you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Do you have any doubt friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.